Hi there, my name is Sam Tsui. I am a musician here in LA, and over the years I have collaborated with a ton of amazing artists, toured around the world, and I just released my newest single called Impatience. So when I saw this recipe on Tastemade for a cheesesteak crescent ring, I thought I could make that. I could make that. I could make that. I could make that. I'm a Philly kid. I grew up outside of Philadelphia, so cheesesteak runs in my veins. Let's get started. We're gonna see how well or poorly I butcher this ribeye. Oh wow, there's literally a bone in this ribeye. Yeah, real thin. So I assume we need as much meat as we can get out of this thing. Done. Okay, so we have our meat cut. We're gonna use about half of this butter. We're just gonna toss it in the pan. Oh, that's fine. Let's get our meat a-cookin'. So I'm gonna set this beef off to the side. You know, I'm gonna try that that cool onion cutting technique that I feel like is always on videos of the way you should be cutting your onion. Okay, do like that a bunch of times. We're just gonna do, I don't think I did it right. Brown and good and tasty. All right, let's chop up this pepper. All right, I got my peppers chopped up. I'm gonna throw them in here with my onions. It smells so good. Yes. Oh, I think I'm supposed to be seasoning with salt and pepper and garlic powder. Okay. I like a generous pour. Okay. You can never spice anything too much. Pepper, salt. These are cooking up. Oh, with remaining butter. Oh shoot, you can never say no to a little extra butter, so I'm just gonna throw that in there. All right, I'm gonna say we're good on this, and we're gonna add our meat back in. I'm serious, if you were here in the studio right now, this smells like heavenly. I am salivating as I talk to you. I think I'm happy with the cook on this. I think we're gonna call that cooked, and we're gonna start the next phase. So I guess the first step of that would be figuring out how the hell you open these canisters. Press spoon against seam, what could that possibly mean? Oh, like this seam? No. I'm just gonna dig in with my hands and trust. Nope. To open, pull entire wrapper here. That is what I'm doing, doughboy. I'm doing something horrifically wrong here. All right, okay. Whew. So far that was the hardest part of this recipe. Guys, this is what is happening here. Okay, I have one triangle, kind of. We're gonna make that work. Actually, I think this is gonna be just fine. I say it with confidence. Is there actually a trick to this? I mean, this is peeling off. Does this peel off first and then you can open it? So then you can just roll it open. All right, it's not half bad, right? And see, once you put the cheese over it, you can't even see the kind of messy chaos below. I don't want to overstuff it, but I also don't want to waste any of this. Now the rest of the provolone, 4 little provolone things. We're gonna wrap this over like you're supposed to do. So we're gonna do this egg wash. Van Gogh painting, a little masterpiece here. Voila, gorgeous. And then I think we top it with some of this Italian seasoning mix. Here we go. I think that this is about as ready as it's gonna be to be popped into that oven over there, and see what comes out on the other side. Wow, would you look at this? I would say that this is not half bad. Garnish. Oh yeah. Let's see if we just kind of fudge it. I'm just gonna press it down in there. Look at that. All right, let's dig into this puppy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Some of the steak, dipping in the cheese. That is actually so good. I need to My name is Sam Tsui, and I thought I could make a cheesesteak crescent ring, and you know what? Not to toot my own horn, but I think I did.